Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional in today's newspaper of Friday, August the 26th, 2022. We are still in the library. I cannot talk too loud. Look, the library. Well, let me continue. Yeah, I've already solved 3 puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the binary, and now it's time for the last one, the Tectonic number 5079, and in English they call it Tectonic. In Japanese they call it Suguru, but in Dutch they call it cipher block. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. Should be the easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. But for a 4 stars puzzle, if it's really a 4 stars, then I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Following question, can we see here the dual box? Dual box, no. I see here triple box, contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, the 1 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Here also a triple. Oh wait, when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Here also a triple box, contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. The box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. We have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. So we have a triple box. Quadra boxes. The following question: do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Let me see which shape can I use. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 2. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me see here. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape, only 2 of them. The following shape, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 3. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box, so that box has the same number as this box. Only 1 T shape. Then the following shape. Are there more shapes here that you need to recognize? No, only 2. Yeah, surprise, only 2 shapes that you need to recognize. Well. Only 2 that you need to recognize. There aren't any more. maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2, 1 and 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes in this area can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. We see another 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shape area should be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. 2 and 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 5. Well. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box, wait. You know, 1. These 3 boxes surround a 3 can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. If I place the 3 here, this box is connected with that box, we also have 3, but we already have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution, place the 3 there, and the 3 is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2, we have a double 2 there. This box can be a 4, we have a double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box is connected with that box, so we also have 5. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Then that means that this box cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. These are 3 boxes, so 1 of 5 can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And then these two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 here. We have a double 4 there. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here. It can be a 4. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes. Definitely a 4. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. One, two. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those two boxes early with a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box can be a 4. So 2 boxes left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Okay. How about 2 and a 5? We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. So this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also 5. 1 box left in this T-shape area for number 2. Still thinking. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Come on. Well, did I make a mistake? I don't know. 4, 3. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. If I place the 2 here, those two boxes can be a 2, but also this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 4 and a 5. 2 and a 3. Still thinking. 1, 2, 4. 4, 5. Come on. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3. You need a 3 here. 2, 5. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here also. Come on. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. But it's not helping me. 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. This box can be 4. Oh, overlooked. We have a 4 now. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left, a 1 and a 3. Okay. Alright, and then, well, we 1, 2, 1 and 3, 5. Oh, this box. Oh, cannot be a 4. We have a 4, 5, 1. So 2 numbers left, 3 or a 2. 3 or 2. So the 4 cannot be here. We need a 4 here. So the 4, the only place left for the 4 should be here. So the 3 and the 2 are left. Okay. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 5. These two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. 1 and a 2. 1, 4, 5. This box should be, can it be 1, can it be 4, can it be 5, so also 2 or a 3. 3. Come on, come on, come on. 4, 1 and 2. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair, so 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4, and this box will be a 1. Double 5. We have a 5 now. Overlook this 5, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 2. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 1 in this area. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Well, we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 3. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finishing 18 minutes. Well, told you, should be an easy one. Cannot be a 4 stars, because then I need more than 30 minutes. Cannot be a 3 stars, because then I need 20 to 30 minutes. So definitely a 2 stars. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.